If you're getting this "sorry you have been blocked" message when trying to access Discord, the first thing you want to do is actually check if you're blocked. So just go to Discord's website, and if it loads, that means you're not blocked. Now, the first thing you want to try is just restart your PC. The second thing you want to try is just wait about 10 minutes and try to launch Discord again. Now, if all of that doesn't work, what you want to do is just reinstall Discord. Now I will just quit Discord here, add or remove programs, and I will find Discord, and I will click uninstall. After you have uninstalled Discord, you need to go to the start menu and type run, press enter. Now you want to type %appdata% and press OK. And a window will pop up, and you should find the Discord folder and just click on it and delete it. Then you want to go back to app data and go to local and find Discord there as well and delete that as well. And now after you've done that, go to Discord's website and just re-download the app and then just install it. And there you go. It should work now.